engine.
Alright, what's up guys? Billings BMX Riders here, and we're here today with a video of our unboxing. We each got something from Dance Comp today. And Matt will go first. Tell me what you got.
I got a chain with a half link.
We ordered them about a week ago, and they said they'd be here tomorrow, but they showed up today, which was a pretty good surprise for us. Okay, show me what that box looks like. What kind of brand is it?
It's a Shadow Conspiracy 2.
Interlock? Nice. Alright, go ahead and open it up, show them what it looks like. White. Ooh, it looks so nice, man. It's gonna go good. And we'll be sure to show you the bikes before and after, before we do it. And yeah, I got pedals and some grips. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what those look like. I got the grips, the volume VLN grips, fingerless, fangless. Got the black and white mix, like kind of swirled colors. And I also got twisted PC Odyssey pedals.
Are those plastic?
Yeah, but they're painted to make them look like they're chrome, which are definitely pretty sweet. This is what they look like, chrome. They're Odyssey twisted. Got the seals for them. These are backup. In case someone switch the colors on them. And also I got us some Shadow Conspiracy sticker kit from Dance Comp. Those. Sweet, definitely a good buy, even nice. A lot of them too. Hooked them up. Shadow Conspiracies. Couple of these ones, different colored too. Oh, I love this one. Ooh. Federal Radness one, definitely. Shadow Supreme. Ooh, these ones will go good with the pedals. These ones will go good with Matt's subs. Yeah, definitely, these are some dope stickers. A lot of them kind of look the same, but are all different kind of colored, almost. These are sweet. Yeah, these are dope. Couple big ones. All colors of them. Just a couple different ones. Yeah, and these are definitely sweet. I like these pedals a lot. They're the Odyssey one. I like the chrome, and so you can I got the rechangeable outside. These are definitely dope. But yeah, we will show you the before and after of our bikes. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Go ahead and follow us on Facebook. Give it a thumbs up. Yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Thanks.
You look nice, babe, man. Oh, his chain's nice too.